Oh wow.
Anyways.
Yes, the true prize was learning that the Humpy is in you all along.
All right. This feels like it feels like
Delhi.
Delhi, no? Yeah.
Yeah. This looks like some.
Kant area.
Yeah, this looks a little unsafe also, so I had a feeling.
This looks like it's got that Delhi Chandigarh type going.
Yeah. At night this would be impossible to walk
Side
on.
में
Hey,
side
wait,
में.
wait,
Yeah.
wait.
Hey, right
To
पे
the
देख,
right.
किसका घर
Yeah,
है?
to the right.
किसी मिनिस्टर का घर है.
This-
What is on the
Hey,
left? What is on the
पीछे
left?
left में क्या
There's a
लिखा
board on the left. Health center. That's not helpful.
Yeah.
Amazing.
It could be any health center. Okay, let's go.
So
little-
basically not.
No, उसमें health center लिखा रहेगा, जगह
हाँ.
लिखा रहेगा.
Hey,
See,
इधर.
also, it looks very well planned. So is it
Yes.
Chandigarh? Like, it's like
This
the
could be
plans-
Chandigarh.
Guys, Chandigarh में health center थोड़ा better होता है.
I mean, I'm guessing this is not Chandigarh's only health center, Biswa. Like,
Should we follow this Innova?
Hey, there's a board left. Tanmay, there's a board to the left.
there's a board on the right at that.
Right,
T-junction.
right.
Oh, here also there's a board.
Yeah, here.
All right. Student Activity Center.
Library.
Some
Yeah, this is
IIT
college.
award.
Yeah.
Shopping
it's-
complex?
I feel like we're in a
College
complex,
academic
yeah.
blocks, auditorium,
hostel.
shopping complex, student life. Hey, what is this? DUGG? Go to the next board. Like, go see the board from the other side.
Duggan Road.
Dugan Road. Where is Dugan Road?
Wait,
thought-
cease registration.
So it gets blurred out, right?
Registration gets blurred out.
Oh, is there a police? Oh no, it's a tractor.
So this
Okay,
is
sir.
not IIT Kharagpur, not for sure.
Hang on, look to the right.
This guy.
So,
Hey, is he Sikh? Yeah.
I think so. And I think so is the
Yeah.
person on the other motorcycle. So, we're not just like making a random
Ah.
Yeah, possibly.
Which
road.
other
So was the
motorcycle?
person on the other bike.
So I think Punjab, no? So Chandigarh.
I think we're in Punjab.
Punjab, what are the
We are in a
colleges?
college. We are in a college.
We're in a college.
Lovely
we-
professional university.
If we just keep walking around, we'll see the college board.
Guys, Divya has tapped out with his only Punjab college reference. With
Yeah.
lovely professional university. But where should we go? Biswa left? Here?
किधर भी कॉलेज में घूमते रहे जहाँ बोर्ड दिख जाएगा.
Basically, कैंटीन ढूंढ उधर किसी को पूछेंगे.
Okay, घुस रहे.
There's
इसका
another
board
board.
क्या है?
Workshop, auto shop बोल रहा
Auto
है
shop.
भाई.
So it's an engineering college.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah.
Mechanical engineering.
Feels like IIT also.
हाँ, IIT है क्या पंजाब में किधर?
Punjab में, but I have been to that campus. It was being set up, so it wasn't this big.
What is the
Chemical.
other board?
Mechanical.
हाँ, चल.
Let's go to the mechanical department. No, they'll write which college it is.
We don't have an option to go, but we'll just. It's
We
naturally going.
have.
It's naturally going here. वाह, तो some guy कोई एक बंदा ऐसा कैमरा लेके पूरा कैंपस घूमा
ए
है.
उसका ये एक बार 1 second एक बार ओ नंबर प्लेट नहीं होता है ना.
Number plate gets blurred out.
That's fair, I guess.
बस आ रहे हैं.
Wait, there's some cars here.
He's so
Again,
far been the
the-
loneliest person we've seen.
Again, a Sikh person. Let's
Yeah.
go into one of these.
I think we're getting closer to like some sort of building.
Campus
building.
building.
ए लिखा है लेफ्ट में कुछ लिखा है.
Okay, let's go back.
Attendance is compulsory.
So we can't read. Can't read.
You can, no? Commit yourself to constant self-improvement है ये.
चलो, let's
Literally,
move.
that's what this says.
They may as well have said attendance is compulsory.
Please आगे चलो. What a
Anticlimax that was. Biswa's like, a clue. ये Sherlock के साथ कभी नहीं होता है ना वो ऐसा. What's a
Detective.
detective?
Detective.
Okay, we are approaching.
Oh wait,
some big
now
stuff.
look on the
Mechanical
right.
block. Let's go to the mechanical block. There'll be
You're
some
on the right.
initial-
On the right.
I don't think
No,
that's
it is mechanical block is to the left. We can't go what there.
science.
We just have to.
No, I'm saying
Oh,
on the
Tech Fest.
up there. The Tech Fest.
Tech Fest.
Science block. Who has Tech Fest?
Tech Fest.
IIT
Fest
Tech
is
Fest
sub-
or what? Is it IIT Tech Fest? Is it
Yo,
Biswa?
I mean, it's not called Tech Fest, but they have Tech Fest.
No, but Which college?
Biswa is enjoying this.
Rohan, I don't know if you know, but every engineering college has
Tech
Tech
Fest.
Fest.
I know, but I'm saying we only have to find out which 1600 of them have the Tech Fest named Tech Fest.
Oh, brother,
Then we
I
can
don't
start
know.
narrowing down from there.
I don't know because all 1600 of them have Asia's biggest Tech Fest. Very difficult.
Robot wars.
कुछ तो दिख जा भाई.
Chemical and
chemical
food
block.
block.
100% IIT है. और Delhi College of Engineering.
Guys, is it ironic कि we are really sucking at knowledge while
मिल
guessing?
गया.
guys?
बोर्ड मिल गया उसमें लिखा है.
बोर्ड क्या है?
पूरा
नाम होगा.
हिस्ट्री बता रहा है.
Oh, हक दिया मैंने.
तो साफ कर.
Yuck.
Oh, Quest for Excellence.
अरे brother.
For managing yourself.
हिंदी में लिखा है ना.
हाँ.
I don't
Okay.
think there are
Hey,
actually
उसके
any
पीछे वाला
teachers in
building
this
में-
college. I don't think there are actually any teachers in this college. There are just boards that instruct you to learn
How to
everything.
live.
Like you wake up in the morning on your ceiling, there's just a board that says like series parallel is, and that's it.
ये क्या है उधर? वो मेन बिल्डिंग किधर है इनका?
मेन
अरे
बिल्डिंग ये
सब
लग रहा
मेन
है ना.
बिल्डिंग है लेकिन मेन बिल्डिंग पे मैंने नाम नहीं लिखा है सिर्फ लिखा है improve yourself. Be better. Whatever you are is not good enough. Be better.
Building fest.
Building fest. Hey, what's that written up there on top of this building?
Where?
There's something
ये
up
मिला
there.
है. कुछ तो
on
मिला
top.
है. कुछ.
किधर?
Not science block.
किधर? Which? Up where? Up.
अरे
Up
है
in the
उधर.
center of that thing, if you can see, there's something.
Oh,
written.
got it here. Electrical
electric bed.
instrumentation.
Hey, there are no proper nouns in this college. It's
Yeah.
generic.
Hey, this
Come
could
on.
be.
This college does an excellent job at generically naming all its departments, but has no signage about who or what it is. Like,
Chat में IIT Bombay.
It's not Bombay.
This is not Bombay by
this is
far.
not Bombay, no chance.
Now we're just going to another block only.
This could be IIT Delhi.
Yeah.
Have you?
That's
You
bad.
must have been to IIT Delhi, no, Biswa?
I have been, but this does not remind me of that. But to be honest, like all of Delhi is kind of similar to this. So
What is that red thing over there?
This
Huh.
must be that electricity board, no?
yeah, nothing much.
Improve.
We just have to find the main building. उस पे नाम लिखा रहे.
Let's see what's
अरे
written
नहीं,
on
मुझे नहीं देखना है. नहीं देखना है भाई.
Dude, what is this college, man? Self-knowledge is the beginning of self-improvement. Think people, good people, committed people.
चलो.
This
okay.
didn't even make sense. Think people.
Oh, shit.
Think people.
I think the next board, the next lamppost is just going to say Tatti तेरा नाम क्या है? Just to spite Biswa.
Very possible.
Hey, there was a board, like usually it'll say which area police or something. Hey, there was that barricade, no, on the road.
Central Library, Humanities, Student Activities. अरे इसमें Humanities भी है. बहुत बड़ा college है.
Yeah, IIT में होता है humanities.
Just zoom in on this board. It just says stop.
Security said stop. No, wait, hang on. What's that below it?
Sliat Longoval. That's what it says.
Next board. What
Yeah,
is
I
it?
swear that's what it says. Sliat Longoval.
Yeah, it does say Sliet Longoval.
Sliat Longoval.
What?
So I guess it's where at Sliet Longoval University.
Hey, if it's stop and security check, then is the main gate that side? I don't know.
Oh, here.
I don't know. It doesn't look like it.
No, just go back. So usually you come from the main gate and then they'll have a security
हाँ
check.
तो
right?
maybe
So-
main gate पे कुछ तो दिखेगा ना.
हाँ,
उसको
so
तो
go-
लिखा रहे.
you have to go the other side, no, Tanmay, because usually stop
Oh.
Hey, what's this on the right? That's the gate, no, on the right?
Yeah, I think.
Director
so guest
residence.
house.
अच्छा, director
Guest house.
residence.
गेस्ट हाउस में कुछ लिखेंगे कि नहीं ये लोग? Guys, will you just click on IIT Delhi? No, IIT Delhi doesn't.
IIT Delhi.
This does not feel like Delhi also. Like it's slightly more open than Delhi would be.
I know what you mean.
Okay, last 1 minute dedicated to this. We should find something here.
See this board? Same. What?
Liet
Same.
Longwal only it'll say.
Let's try. There are a
think-
bunch of boards here. Kuch to hoga
I
isme.
think this is Chandigarh.
Oh,
Hey,
now
this
come
is-
on.
25th something.
25th anniversary of self-improvement.
Hey, उसमें कुछ है.
Yeah, just zoom on the board. What is this?
What does it say?
Saint Longewal Institute of Engineering.
What?
Oh, okay. We did not know that's his name. Okay.
That's the name.
Sant Longewal. Oh, okay.
Ah.
Oh, okay.
So is it Punjab? Must be some engineering college in Punjab then, because we saw some few Sikh people,
Oof.
and it's
I think Amritsar Amritsar area में should
What's
be
on
yes.
this bus shelter?
Yeah. There's also a board next to the bus shelter.
Yeah.
Well, there was a board next to the bus center. It says TechFest, dude. It says literally says
hilarious.
TechFest.
Generic college of engineering.
Okay, tell me when you guys are done. We'll just guess.
Yeah, I think we can just go to Amritsar and start looking at colleges.
I've
and we'll
officially
find it.
spent more time inside this engineering college than I ever did my own. Like, this is more attention has been given.
All right. Amritsar.
There's Ludhiana there.
Yeah, Ludhiana also something like that. We should try.
अब there's no way. बीच में डाल क्या अमृतसर और लुधियाना के बीच में जालंधर भी आता है
we
बीच में.
should go into अगर होगा तो दिख जाएगा. It might not be Amritsar, might be Jalandhar also. We should just have
So
a look.
between Amritsar, Jalandhar, अच्छा. You want to find a college between Amritsar and Jalandhar?
No, I'm saying either Amritsar or Jalandhar it will be there. And this will be a prominent landmark. It's so big.
हाँ और ये कॉलेज लाइक दिस इज अ हॉस्पिटल एच इज हॉस्पिटल
हाँ,
तो यूनिवर्सिटी का भी कुछ तो सिंबल होगा ना.
possibly.
Guys, there's no way we're going to find. I think we should move on.
Yeah, just
Hold
put
on,
it on
sir.
Amritsar.
Between
Ludhiana is better choice than no.
Ludhiana might be a better choice, yeah.
Yeah, so just put it on
Ludhiana.
What should we do? Should we hedge our bets and put in the middle? Hey,
What is our goal to get what?
to
More
get 5,000
fair
points.
Huh?
5,000
Leap
points.
eventually. Like, yeah, what is our goal? That's a good question. Like, it's what? We want 5,000 points.
We've already got
When-
8,000.
Okay,